How to use battery health to extend phone life. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can use your battery health tools to extend phone life. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So you can use your phone's built-in battery health and management tools to monitor users' patterns, enable power-saving features, and optimize charging habits. So for your Android, head over to your settings. On your settings, go to battery, find battery and open it up, and go to battery uses. After you're on your battery uses, you can see where you use your battery. So this will give you a breakdown of which apps and features are consuming the most power. So you can find that, and then you can find the unusually high uses and manage that. What you can also do to optimize your device settings is enable power mode. So you can head back, you can see the battery saver, head over there. You can simply schedule your battery saver. So you can turn off at 90%, that's fine. You can set a schedule and you can simply select it on a percentage. So whenever now it reaches 25 or maybe 30%, your battery saver will automatically get turned on. And yeah, you can also do it manually by simply pressing on use battery saver. So let's not do that for now, but after you do that, you can also set a shorter screen time out duration. For that, head over to your settings. You'll need to go to display. There, you can see screen timeout. Tap on that. And simply select 30 seconds or 1 minute. After you do that, now your screen timeout duration will be low and it will turn off quicker than before, which will help you save some amount of your battery. Also, utilize your dark mode for devices. So simply swipe down and go to your control panel and you'll find the dark mode option. Tap on it to enable your dark mode, which uses less power by turning off individual pixels, and can also limit your background activity. Now, other than that, you can also maintain your charging habits, maintain an optimal charge level that is between 20 to 80%, and avoid dropping down to 0% or leaving it full charged at 100% for a long period of time, for example, when you're overnight. And yeah, those are basically how you extend your phone's battery life. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.